In 2 minutes, remove plaque from teeth with this mouthwash. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share with you an effective remedy to remove plaque. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. One half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 cup of cold water. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to make a mouthwash for 2 minutes. And for best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.